cookies. 100 grams na butter, 3/4 na white sugar and brioche sugar, 1 teaspoon salt. Tapos mix combine all the ingredients. Okay na to. 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 egg, mix. Then 1/4. 1 cup na cake flour. And then 1/3 na flour. Isang kutsara nga baking powder. 1/3 cup na toasted peanut. 1/2 dark chocolate or tableya. Then, mimix lang natin to hanggang sa maging para siyang dough. Ito na, wala na tayo nakita na flour na okay na siya para aking cookies. Gagamit ako ng ice cream scoop. Pero kung wala kayong ice cream, pwede kutsara, guys. Pwede kutsara. Yan, gaganyanin lang natin. Then, lalagay natin doon sa tray. Paper, nag-add ako ng baking paper para hindi siya magandang kaanhan ng ating cookies. And guys, ayan. Ulitin lang natin. Maganda kasi pabilog ang ating cookies. Kailangan meron tayong distance. Bake natin yan kasama ng ito. Ito yung cookies na nagawa ko. Natin yan. So, ito guys, sa preheated oven. Yung init niya ay 190. Ayan, 190. Then, i-bake siya na 15 minutes. Mag-adjust na lang tayo guys pag hindi pa luto yung ating cookies. Ayan, preheated oven, mainit siya. Then, i-bake natin 15 minutes. Adjust na lang natin pag hindi pa naluto. So, already done na yung aking cookies. May nakasalang pa guys, kaya atin nang tikman. Ito yung aking ginawa. Tikman natin. First bite for you guys. The texture is so good. The crunchy. There's some peanuts. Tama lang yung kanyang sugar. That's the gluten or black coffee. Wow, it's perfect. Yummy. Good for business this coming holiday. Ayan. Chocolate, dark chocolate. It's for business. Yummy guys, you can try this guys. It's very easy to make. perfect this coming holiday. Chocolate, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page. If you buy something, please click the yellow basket in my TikTok shop. Thank you guys. Bye.